Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to change screen timeout in our Samsung phone device. Guys, you want to change your screen timeout, so as you can change. And guys, now let's see how to change screen timeout in our Samsung phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your screen timeout. Then guys, scroll it. Guys, click on your display setting to change your screen timeout. Then guys, scroll and guys, you can see your screen timeout setting. So guys, tap here. So as you can see, there are 7 and 6 screen timeout settings. So example for we will click on this 15 second. And guys, now let's see. So after 15 second guys, your phone screen will off. Guys, wait and watch. And before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. As you can see guys, screen has off. So I hope friends you have understood how to change screen timeout in Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.